These are the things required for the Mysore Pak. This is half cup of kadla mav, gram flour or besan, and this is sugar, double 1 cup of sugar, and this is more than 1 cup, maybe 1.5 cup of ghee and oil mixed. I've just made it a little warm. So these are the things required. So let's go to the next stage. So this is the ghee and oil mixed together. It's nice and hot. So as we make the Mysore Pak, we would be adding spoons of ghee, and it's good to have someone else to pour the ghee into it. So let's go on to the next stage. Yeah, so this is sugar added. This is double the quantity of gram flour or besan. Gram flour was half cup, so this is 1 cup of sugar. So add water to just cover it. That's enough. Yeah. So all we have to do now is to wait for the soft ball consistency. So yeah. So keep cooking. So the syrup has become bubbly. So we need to wait for a single string consistency or the soft ball consistency. So as always, we'll check it in a bowl of water. Yeah, so now let's test. Yeah. Yeah. So see, you add a drop into the water and just gather it, and you can form a soft ball. So that's the consistency, and you know the syrup is ready. That is called the single string consistency. Yeah, so I'm adding the toasted gram flour into the sugar syrup. Yeah. Yeah, so keep the heat in medium low, and see to it that the entire gram flour is incorporated into the sugar syrup. Yeah, so this is the gram flour incorporated well into the sugar syrup. Yeah, so now is the time to add hot ghee into it. Keep it hot, keep the ghee hot, pour it into this. Yeah. So keep the heat in medium high. Yeah, so at this stage add more ghee. Keep the ghee hot. Yeah. Yeah, so add one more one more spoon of hot ghee. add one more spoon. So keep it measured. Keep the ghee measured and keep it hot and keep adding. The ghee is almost 3 times the measurement of gram flour. See, slowly the gram flour is getting well cooked in the ghee, in the hot ghee. The Mysore Pak is almost ready now. As you can see, this is the final spoon of hot ghee into it. See, just see the color change, and you can just see the honeycomb kind of texture, non-sticky. Can you see? So that is the texture that we are looking for. So just take care to keep the stove, keep the flame in medium or even lowest, because you need to be very careful. See, it's almost done. Yeah. So you can see it. So keep a greased thali ready to transfer the Mysore Pak. This is the Mysore Pak transferred onto a grease plate. Yeah, so let it just become a little lukewarm. Then we can start making cuts into it. So I'm done with making cuts. Yeah, it was just the right time. Otherwise, the whole thing will crumble. So take care that it does not become very cool or it does not come to room temperature. Okay. See, I made cuts in the Mysore Pak even when it was quite hot. Otherwise, everything would crumble. So you can just now take take them out one by one. See, they are perfect. Yeah. Yeah. So see the honeycomb-like texture. Yeah. Let's break and see. Yeah. This is how it will look inside. Wow.